Welcome to International Securities Exchange's podcast series. Facilitated by renowned educators, ISE podcasts are intended to teach beginning as well as seasoned investors the ins and outs of trading. To find an updated list of podcasts, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts. Please be sure to listen to our important message following this episode regarding the risks of investing in exchange-traded options.
What about the New Zealand dollar? What did you say, Christophe? Do you recommend an entry now, or is it a bit late to be jumping in, being dollar strong, or expecting more of a dollar rally at this point?
The New Zealand dollar,
yes.
when the pair break above support or resistance is the case of the New Zealand dollar. If you think this is too late, wait for a pullback, which may occur. Mm-hmm. So if this pullback occurs, then it will be time to enter your long position. But if you think by yourself this is too late, don't trade.
Right.
Try to listen to yourself. And but because I said before, volatility is high in this case, and you may buy an option with a price which is too high for the moment, and if you wait for 1 or 2 days, maybe the price will be lower for the same underlying price. And so maybe you, in this case, when it breaks above the resistance, your stop loss is could be reached very quickly if the pair is pulling back, because volatility, you've paid the volatility very high, the pair is pulling back, the volatility is going down, and your stop loss is reached at a very high speed very quickly. So be careful when you enter into a position when the pair is breaking a key level.
Guys, did you hear that? It's a really, really very good point that Christophe just made. The idea that risk and reward, you need to be comfortable. You, as the investors, trader, need to be comfortable with these implementation of these certain trades. So we might have a view that the Brazilian real is going up, or or down, I should say, or the New Zealand dollar is going down. But the risk reward, as Christophe just mentioned, might not be that favorable for you to get into. And again, only you can decide this. Trading Central tries to give you their views, but everyone might have a different risk reward ratio, the balance of one versus another. But that's up to you. But so when you're a trader, it's patience pays off, and I think that's what Christophe is trying to describe. Correct, Christophe?
Yeah, exactly. Traders try to manage their risk. Their main job of professional traders is to manage the risk. So manage your risk and think about the risk before the reward. And I think stop loss is very important, and successful trader, as I said before, don't move their stop loss. Once you have your stop loss, don't move it. And I think this will be very rewarding for many people, because this is the main mistakes many people do, even professionals. They move the stop loss because they hope the price will, even if the price are in the wrong way, the price will be their friend in the future. But this is only a hope, and this is not a trading approach. When you're traders, you try to manage your risk, as I said before. So think about that.
Christophe, thank you very much. Managing risk, you can't ask for more than that. That's what you need to do. Obviously, Christophe and Trading Central will give you their views of the trend, and that's extremely helpful to know where the trends are. But then you, as the traders, have to make that choice if the risk-reward makes sense. Christophe, do you have any closing comments?
No, up to you.
Okay. I want to thank you. Again, great presentation. I know that the conditions weren't perfect, so you
I apologize for my trading platform was shut down. I couldn't draw the line I wanted. I couldn't answer Patricia's question. I'm sorry for that, but I want to thank you, Steve, and thank you all our listeners for this webinar. I hope my presentation will help you to be a successful trader in the future.
Well, thank you, Christophe. This will probably be listened to by hundreds and hundreds of investors, traders over the next couple of weeks as we archive them all. Want to thank you again. Just want to go through the next couple webinars. We have Jason Ayers from Option Source. He'll be with us on February 9th. And for those of you that have not been attending the Back to Basics, I have been presenting what we call Back to Basics. And I started with the most basic, what is a call, what is a put. Now we're up to options pricing, FX options pricing. That'll occur on February 11th. And then we have Mike Tusaw from Brokers Express on February 17th. And then I'll be back on February 18th. Trading Central will be back on February 25th. Merci, Christophe. Very much appreciated.
You're welcome.
Have a great trading day, everyone. On the behalf of the International Securities Exchange and Trading Central, we wish you a great day, and please come back very, very soon. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. To find more podcasts on options, stocks, alternative markets, and market data, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts.